Hello everyone. So in this topic, in this video we are going to complete the topic. We have to calculate the transfer function from the state model. So in the question we have been given a state equation or state model. We need to convert it into a transfer function. So as given in the question, these are two equations, the state equation and the output equation. We need to convert these equations into the transfer function. So let's see how to calculate it. So see, first we know that these are the general solutions of the state model. Means x dot equals to ax plus bu, y equals to cx plus du. These are the general equation. So we will compare this x equation to this equation and this y equation to this equation. Means this is the state equation and this is the output equation. General equations we are going to compare with these equations. Okay. Now what we have got, we have separated the variables A matrix, B matrix, C and D. Here why we have written D equals to 0? Because there is no element present in D, or there is no matrix D is present. That's why we have written D 0. So now what we are going to do is, we know transfer function, how we going to write is as C into S matrix into I, means identity matrix, minus A matrix closing the inverse. We are writing this the inverse. We are multiplying with the C matrix and into B plus D. So first we will find step by step how we are going to find now. See. So first we will find this matrix Si minus A matrix. Then we will find the inverse. So see how we are going to do is, see here it is given Si minus A. So first we will write S into identity matrix. Then identity matrix, you all know 1 0 0 1. Why we have written this 2 into 2 matrix? Because here A equals to 2 into 2 matrix, means n into 2 matrix. That's why we have write identity matrix. So okay, now we have written the identity matrix and minus we are doing the A matrix, because here it is S into I minus A. So what is A matrix? See here also we have written separately. This is A matrix. Now we will solve this. Okay. So ultimately when we multiply S, it will become S0 0S and minus it will be like this. And after doing this simplification, we will get S minus 1, 12, S plus 8. How it is possible? S minus 0, 0 minus 1 means minus 1, 0 minus 12 means 0 minus into minus 12, which become plus 12. Okay. And S minus into minus 8 means S plus 8. This is how we got this matrix. Now we, according to the transfer function solution, we need to find this inverse. So we will find the inverse of this matrix. How? See, to find an inverse, we need adjoint of the matrix upon the determinant of the matrix. So here adjoint of Si minus A matrix upon determinant of Si minus A matrix. First, we will find the determinant. How we are going to find determinant? Si minus A equals to S. We need to consider the modulus S plus 8 minus into minus 12. So after solving this, we will get this. Determinant, to find the determinant, you always know we need to cross multiply, and after doing this, we need to minus the variables. So ultimately, we are getting this equation. Now we will find adjoint. To find an adjoint, we will write the matrix like this. We will replace the element. You know, to find the adjoint, we will write this matrix. We need to write the inverse format, like S plus 8 will come in this side, 1 will come this side, minus 12 will come this side, and S will come this side, and also the signs will get changed. Now what we are going to do is, we will put these all in the equation where we have to find the inverse. 1 upon determinant into adjoint, and after that we will simplify the equation like this, and we will get the transfer function. To write the transfer function, we need to write C S minus A inverse, Si minus A inverse, B plus D. We will write all the elements in this and we will solve these equation. After simplification, we get the transfer function S plus 8 upon S square plus 8S plus 12. So this is your transfer function we have obtained from the state model this. So you have to practice yourself. Once you learned it, you will never forget this. Thank you for watching this video.